Good day, this is Lady Mae Patac from BSHM 3A, and for today's topic, I am going to discuss the laws regulating travel and tour services. Learning objectives. Enumerate the procedure in setting up a travel agency. Differentiate ethical from unethical practices by travel agencies and tour operators. Identify the responsibilities of a legitimate travel agency or tour operator and give examples of issues, concerns, and problems travel agencies and tour operators may have in the conduct of their business. So, as part of our tourism industry, the pivotal role of travel agencies is the regarded as revenue support of the nation's economy. Considering that our tourism industry has already become a matter of public interest, it calls for its promotion and regulations by our government. The laws regulating travel and tour services in this chapter involve implementing rules and regulations by the Department of Tourism and Supreme Court decision which define the nature of the business of a travel agency and tour operator. Likewise, a background on the validity of e-ticketing in booking customers by virtue of Republic Act 8792, also known as the Electronic Commerce Law, has been included. Nature and description of the business. The law. Tour operator shall mean an entity which may either be a single proprietorship, partnership, or corporation regularly engaged in the business of extending to individuals or groups, such as services pertaining to agreements and bookings for transportation, in-or accommodation, handling, and or conduct of inbound tours, whether or not for a fee, commission, or any form of compensation. Tour guide shall mean an individual who guides tourists, both foreign and domestic, for a fee, commission, or any other form of lawful remuneration. So the travel agency's covenant its customers is to make travel agreements in their behalf. A travel agency's services include procuring tickets and facilitating travel permits or visas, as well as booking customers for tour. The relation of travel agency with respect to a common carrier is that it merely acts as an agent for the common carrier. Under Republic Act number 8239, also known as the Philippine Passport Act of 1996, renewal of an application for the issuance of passport may be filed by any licensed travel agency duly accredited by the Department of Foreign Affairs, provided that the agent shall be responsible for authenticity of the supporting documents being presented to meet the requirements for the application of passports. Accreditation of travel agencies and tour operators. Section 2. Who may apply for accreditation? Section 3. For purposes of accreditation, the following are the supporting documents to be submitted with the applications. Section 4. Additional requirements for tour operator using a motor vehicle. Section 5. Minimum office requirements. The foregoing provisions provide for the minimum requirements for the accreditation and operation of a travel agency or tour operator by the Department of Tourism. Take note of the investment limitation of for foreigners in engaging as a travel agency or tour operators in the Philippines. Airline appointed services. So this is the standard for accreditation. First, we have the managerial qualifier. It is a full-time person authorized to make managerial decision and exercise daily supervision of the location. Technical qualifier. A full-time person who performs or supervises the performance of all technical aspects of selling commercial air transportation. Example, making reservation, issuing tickets, assigning seats, generating other traffic documents, and etc. Next, we have the premises, financial capability, and security standard. Travel sales intermediary. So it is a business that is engaged in the sale and or brokerage of travel and travel related services such as cruises, tours, hotels, car rentals, bus, and rail transportation. So TSIs do not hold airline agencies appointments or issue airline tickets. Responsibilities of business entities engaged in travel and tourist services. So these travel agencies need to take necessary precaution by exercising prudence and due diligence at all times. Under the present state of the law, extraordinary diligence is not required in travel or tour contacts. However, the travel agency acting as a tour operator must nevertheless be held to strict accounting for contracted services. E-ticketing and e-commerce. It is one of the most significant opportunities to reduce costs and improve passengers' convenience. It reduces ticket processing charges, eliminates the needs for a paper, and allows greater flexibility to the passenger and the travel agent to make changes on the itinerary. And that ends my discussion. This is Lady Mae Patac saying thank you and have a good day.